What is he doing there as a governor? Is he not a political leader of the Igbos? He's one of the political leaders of Igbos. I've never even for one day see Hope Uzodinma call for the immediate and unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu. Neither his aides or even media friends, or even people who he knows, none of them from Imo State have come out to say, release Nnamdi Kanu. And you said you are the governor of Imo State. And you are seeing that kind of injustice. And you are not saying anything. We are witnessing mass killing on daily basis by the Fulani men in Imo State. And you are not saying anything. And now, the American military veterans of Igbo extraction in America has come out and issued a verdict that Hope Uzodinma is behind the continuous detention. Of course, I would agree with them. And my first has been stated that Hope Uzodinma have never for one day called for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. That is one. Two.
He's not the Eastern governor, in the East.
Bro, let me tell you, the present governor of Enugu State, Mba, have done that. He has called for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Either he did it mistakenly or whatever. But why is it that we've not had such from Hope Uzodinma up till now? It tells you that Abba Kyari, who is an unrepentant extremist of the Fulani extraction, single-handedly installed Hope Uzodinma as the governor of Imo State. And Hope Uzodinma have the effrontery to insult the Igbo sensibilities, the electors in Imo State, the people whose mandate was manipulated, and told the whole world that Abba Kyari, the late Abba Kyari, made me governor. What does that tell you? Who is Abba Kyari? Uzodinma has already exposed himself. So anything that say he did, of course, is the one that has exposed himself on who he is. And the time will come, maybe people will begin to ask questions. Who is Hope Uzodinma? That will be the question everybody will ask.
Is he a Muslim?
Uzodinma, does Muslim bear Hope Uzodinma? Hope Uzodinma is the present governor of Imo State. Whether he's a Muslim or a Christian in disguise, that will be left for another day of to discuss. But what we stand and what we know is that Hope Uzodinma is liable to any form of reservation against him, labeled by American military veterans of Igbo extraction. Not only that, Hope Uzodinma does not have good personality image among the committee of Southeast states. And secondly, Hope Uzodinma is being seen as someone who has further increased or destroyed the fabrics of Igbo governance in Nigeria. And that is where a lot of people stand. And that is what a lot of people are saying. And the fact still remains that in no distance time, whether they enter the deal or not over what is happening to Nnamdi Kanu, because we have seen Sunday Igboho being released, we have seen Sowore being shown to the door, we have seen a lot of them being released, but Nnamdi Kanu is intentionally, even the most dangerous Boko Haram was released under Tinubu. But a man who has defined a moment, who has given Igbo character, who has given Igbo's identity, whose quest as a revolution can never be destroyed. That's what they said here. I said it here. You can kill the revolutionary, but you cannot kill the revolution. It is a reality that we have come to embrace. For every Biafrans, 80 million Biafrans are all over the world. The consciousness of our identity will be with our forefathers and of course our supreme leader, Nnamdi Kanu. And in no distance time, I repeat, in less than a few months from now, Nnamdi Kanu will be celebrated all over the world as a free man. Thank you.
Okay, sorry, but if he's released, do you not think there will be peace now in the East after his release?
Bros, his presence is not only in the East. A lot of Northerners, the Hausas, also want to be liberated. Yes, most of them are talking about Nnamdi Kanu in the North. They are unhappy with the destruction the Fulani has created in the North. Not only in the East, in the entire Africa. Go to Burkina Faso, they are talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Go to Zimbabwe, they are talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Go to South Africa, they are talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Go to Tunisia, they are talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Go to Zaire, they are talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Go to Mauritius, they are talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Go to Ghana, Togo, they are talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu has suddenly become the consciousness of Africa. That Africa has been able to see light in Nnamdi Kanu. That of course there is hope for a black man.
You tell me that it's a Nigeria holding Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, they own Nnamdi Kanu for Nigeria, but the people that bring the plan, the mathematics, he pretend. Let them forget, they will come there back, come the engineer. People there from, they say that people where they from, and then they cause not be true. Like Nigeria government said that it's igbo politician that own Nnamdi Kanu. It's not true. It's not igbo politician. The Igbos have power more than federal government. Did the governor have power more than federal government? Tell me. The businessmen have power more than federal government. The answer is no. My brother, Nnamdi Kanu will come out the right day. As far as Mandela come out, they give South Africa flag. Nnamdi Kanu will come out one day, we'll collect our flag up. And nothing will happen for Nnamdi Kanu. And if anything happens for Nnamdi Kanu there, let Nigeria see more than fire. If anything happens Nnamdi Kanu there, you know what caused second World War? It's because of one person. One person caused Second World War. That person that caused Second World War not have two heads, they have one head. If Nigeria, anything happen for Nnamdi Kanu for there, I don't think it's say Nigeria it will be easy for Nigeria. What they are crying saying Nnamdi Kanu already destroyed Nigeria. This one will be more disastrous for Nigeria and Britain. What I believe that one person cannot own Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is more than like lion. People that own Nnamdi Kanu is Nigeria government and Arab world and British. Why I mention those people? When Nnamdi Kanu, they never captured Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu exposed Nigeria government and British government and Arab world. You know that they try to capture the whole Africa as a Muslim country. Now because of one tribe, Igbos, they cannot conquer those things. And who be the leader of Igbos is Nnamdi Kanu. You see that three of them, the three strong people, they hold hands together to arrest Nnamdi Kanu. Why some people that are calling Ozodimba? One, Ozodimba is not a governor of Imo State. He didn't win as a governor. Person that win for number 4, they give her first to be a governor of states. And what the man is doing in Imo State is very totally wrong. Imo State is a peaceful state before. The minute this vampire enter, Imo State turned to a terrorist state. Because of what? This man is not a leader. He is not the person the Imo State vote for. That is the reason why many people are accusing governor of Imo State the hand is is among the people that own Nnamdikanu. Anybody that send some Ozodimba is responsibility of Nnamdikanu. Yeah, it's truth. It's true. And some Nnamdikanu Ozodimba to say the military Igbos in America, they are not have sense. Did one of them come outside? Do you think that Ozodimba will stand there? He cannot stand him. He cannot stand the military of America. Yoruba say, oh, Tebe, you no rich. You no rich anything. So me, I would say that Ozodimba to go and sit down. He's a monkey. Go and watch monkey, how monkey reacts. That's the way Ozodimba is doing. Ozodimba is a fraudster now. We know Ozodimba very well. I'm from Imo State, from Ataikeduru. Ozodimba is the people that do 419. That time, instead of this man that died, what do you call it? Atonsori Bears, Ivan Senweremu, all those groups. That's the people. Ozodimba is a very scammer. Do you think when a scammer is a ruined state, you know that that state will have big problem? People that own Nnamdikanu is British, 2 Arab world, that Muslim.
What concern they don't have any relation, the Arab and the Nnamdikanu?
The relation they have that Igbos is not a Muslim country. We have 3 tribes in Nigeria. That 3 tribes, North, 99 over 100 is a Muslim. In Yoruba land, yeah, 75% of Yoruba is a Muslim. Igbo land, 95.5 is not a Muslim. And they tried the way to capture this land. When they captured them, you already captured the whole Africa. Now, Igbo said that they cannot be a Muslim country. Look at in Nigeria, our currency, you can check our money. They use Arab to write our money. Look at our president. President is a Muslim. Vice president is a Muslim. What are you talking about? It's a Muslim country. They want to capture that east, but they cannot do it. They feel that when they catch Nnamdikanu, others will do what? Surrender. No. And those people that put Ozodimba in the government, those are Muslim that put governor of Imo State, the same thing. Former governor of Ebonyi State, what you build in state, no be Arab money. Because of Nigeria have common thing with Arab and Muslim. But people will not believe them. Our leader is Nnamdikanu. They say if they hold this guy, everybody must come down. But they don't know that when you hold this man, the people that are more dangerous will come out. Ozodimba is enemy of Nnamdikanu. It's not that Ozodimba owns Nnamdikanu, but he's enemy of Nnamdikanu and the enemy of Igbos, mostly Imo State. When you call Igbo, when Ozodimba is control his Imo State, Ozodimba is a terrorist for Igbo land. He said Imo State to give Fulanis. Do you understand me? And the people that own Nnamdikanu is a Fulanis. And Fulani is what? Arab peoples. It's a Muslim peoples. That's why I said that it's 3 tribes that own Nnamdikanu. Religion, Nigeria government, Arab world. Why I mention Arab world? People will say, well, what concerns the Arab world is a Muslim because of Fulanis. You know where I'm going to? It's not the all Arab that are bad. Look, I can go to Saudi. The way Nigeria practice Islamic is not the way Saudi Arabia practicing. It's different dimension. You understand? Now, British is the one that own Nnamdi Kanu. Number one, Nnamdi Kanu is a citizen of Britain. Nnamdi Kanu is a citizen of Britain. Two, Britain is eating what make Britain to Britain today is from where? For that southeast. If what making Nnamdi Kanu come out, we have captured Biafra. You see that what Britain is getting for Igbo land, will do what will cut it off. That they will make everything to Nnamdi Kanu to stay there. It's not what they call it, Ozodimba. Ozodimba is a just coward. If only some Ozodimba own Nnamdi Kanu, nobody own Nnamdi Kanu now. Ozodimba don't have the power, he don't have the strength. He cannot stand in Nnamdi Kanu one-on-one. Look at one of Nnamdi Kanu boy, Ukonso. You know how long it take governor of Imo State Ozodimba to capture the Nnamdi Kanu guy called Ukonso. It take their time, talk less to capture Nnamdi Kanu. You understand? To me, it's not Igbo people. It's not Igbo people that own Nnamdi Kanu ransom. People that own Nnamdi Kanu ransom, those three tribes. Others is just envy. Why Nnamdi Kanu will collect this glory? Do you understand me? Those Igbo people you are seeing that against Nnamdi Kanu, they see that why Nnamdi Kanu will collect this glory. Why? It's not them. Do not have the capability. Do not have the strength. Do not have the confidence to stand to collect the glory. It's envy that is disturbing all those governors, also Demba. You understand? And the little things collecting in the government and Nassau Rock. The little thing you are collecting in Nassau Rock. Somebody know that it cannot make 1,000 naira a day. Somebody start giving you 1 million every day. If you not do whatever the person tells you to do, you will do it. That's what the part I see also Demba. Okay, look at the role former governor of Abia State in play to convince Nnamdi Kanu to stop agitation of Biafra. That is Kanu. What Kanu played the role to Nnamdi Kanu to drop agitation is more than what Ozodimba is doing. Kanu already go to custody where Nnamdi Kanu is to try to convince Nnamdi Kanu to stop agitation. Why people say Ozodimba don't reach anything? They forget Ozodimba. Just not all those minutes in America, may they just forget the idiot. The guy is making noise. Empty drum that make noise. You understand? Empty drum that make noise. If you pour water inside drum, if you're not gonna go, person that down there cannot hear the sound. But if you empty the drum, use ordinary small stone and stone the drum, person that far will hear the sound. Also, Demba is empty drum to where Nnamdi Kanu is. I didn't see that is the problem of Nnamdi Kanu.